Chicken Move number 2. You may recall a couple of weeks ago we moved them all to here. We're now moving them over there. So we've got Chicken Nick and we've got Chicken Jamie, who has named them all individually, haven't you, mate?
Yes.
Who's your favourite?
Smokey.
Smokey? Yeah. Should give it up, shouldn't he? Right, so let's have a walk around. So, lovely day here. We're moving them. We just had the tractor out. Top the field here. That was quite long. It was up to about so high there. See that? But because it's so long, the chickens would have just flattened it and that would have actually killed the ground. So caravans going. The caravans are going here. I did explain that, let's explain it again. You know the caravans are going here?
Are they?
Yeah.
That's alright. We'll sort it. We'll sort it.
It's warm, isn't it? What time are we on now? 20 past 9. It's supposed to be, I think, 22 degrees today.
Right, so if you just move that this panel over here, then if we're having the caravans.
This is Jamie's first time moving.
Are we really having the caravans here?
We're having them
Yeah.
on here.
Yeah, here.
So we'll just move that panel to this side.
I could move it. Yeah, okay. Let's have a rethink then. Subsection B, A1. Caravans are going there. And it doesn't matter which way they go. That's going to be alright, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, I've just got this in me. Everything's got to be symmetrical. It fucking hasn't, has it? Right. Okay. I'll get moving caravans then.
Right. Okay then.
Find the wind handle. We're getting this done. We're getting this done in record time, Jamie. Nick, dance. All right. That's the last couple of panels going on there. I've got an entry over there, but I'll drop this last little caravan off there, an exit over there, and then they'll just box it all off. Last caravan on its way. There we are, the chickens quite literally moving home. It's a bit of a rickety old one, this one. Does need a bit of a TLC. Probably a winter job that, but we've got less things to do around the farm. But meanwhile, it's holding together so far. Is there much chicken proofing to do, Nick?
Just a few more ties on the fence.
Yeah.
That's it.
Excellente.
Done.
But there's bit more stuff to bring over, isn't there?
Yeah, there's a few.
No, I'll load that up in the bucket.
And then, yeah, that should be
Don't release the chickens without me, will you?
I won't.
Yeah, promise?
You better be here then.
I'll be here, yeah, I'll be here. But the thing is, I may be just over there, yeah?
Gotcha. I can wait.
Right. Right. So Jamie has the honour of releasing the chickens.
Good morning. Good morning, cuties.
Now who wouldn't want to park the caravan round here, huh?
Good morning, loves.
Oop, wrong way.
Ready?
Yep.
Good morning.
And hopefully no broken eggs during the transit.
Hopefully not.
But it's very gentle, wasn't it?
Yes. Yes, good morning. What's going on? It's new. Nope, you're strawberry.
That's strawberry, is it?
Yeah, look at her head.
Which one's Smoky?
Smokey's always in the green one. And I bet she's still in there. Maybe not this morning. She is. Oh, there's an egg.
Forming the chicken sandwich.
This one's Smokey. She's sometimes very cranky. But she's cute. Yes.
Well, they're all cranky when they're not used to you. Have you noticed how friendlier they're getting?
Yeah. Well, if I didn't hang out with her for a few days when I wasn't, she got crankier with me. And this is Delilah. These two are always in here.